In India, 75% of the population are literate, but out of which only 24% of the population are financially literate, which means only 24% of the adults understand what the terms like saving, investing, budgeting, and debt means. Financial literacy is the cognitive understanding of financial management and skills such as budgeting, investing, saving, taxation, and even personal finance management. And the absence of such skills is referred to as being financially illiterate. So, if one person is financially illiterate, then the decisions they make in terms of finance will lead them into crisis. That is why financial literacy is very important. I am Natalia, and today we are going to talk about financial literacy and why it is important, the benefits of financial literacy, and what you can do to learn about finance and make better decisions. First, let's talk about the benefits of financial literacy. Number one, the ability to make better financial decisions. Only if you have the right kind of knowledge, that is, where to invest, how to save, what is the interest rate like, how much am I going to get, what is compounding. Only when you know all these terms and how they work, you will be able to make better financial decisions. Number two, effective management of money and debt. All of us right now, especially in this pandemic situation, we might find ourselves in debt. So if you have the right financial knowledge, then you will know how to tackle the situation and clear off all your debts on time. Number three, you will be well equipped to reach your financial goals. You might have big goals like buying a house or purchasing a car. And only when you have the right type of financial knowledge, you will know how you can do that without going or diverting from that path or without falling into any other debt trap. Number four, reduction of expenses through better regulation. So when you have the right financial knowledge, you will know how to cut down on certain expenses. Because imagine, money once spent can never be recovered. So only when you have the right financial knowledge, you will know where to spend, how to spend, and whatever you're spending, is it necessary? So all these kinds of decisions you will be able to make if you have the right financial knowledge. Number five, less financial stress and anxiety. So every one of us, we are working every day on 9 to 6 job or any other passive income job only for money. And sometimes we are all stressed because we don't have enough money to do the things we love or to buy the necessities. So when you have the right financial knowledge, you will never be going into crisis. You will never go broke because you will be literate enough to make decisions which will not allow you to go broke. So in turn, you will have less stress and anxiety. Number six, increase in ethical decision making when selecting insurance, loans, investments, and credit cards. So for example, if you are having a credit card and if you don't have the right financial knowledge on how to manage a credit card, how to make repayments on time so that you don't end up in a financial crisis. Or when you're trying to take a loan, what is the procedure for the loan? What are the requirements? What are the documents required? What are the terms and conditions like? Same goes for insurance. So you should have all this knowledge so that you will be able to better choose what suits your goals and financial goals. Because if you go and invest in a plan, or if you try to purchase an insurance which is not really for you or which is not required for you, then that will put you or set you back from reaching your financial goals. Number seven, effective creation of a structured budget. Budgeting is one of the main component when it comes to finance, because when you make a budget, you will know how much money you're spending, how much money you're getting back, what is your expenses like, where are you exactly spending, are you spending on unnecessary things, can you save money. All these kinds of things will be clear to you when you put a budget, when you make a budget. So these are the benefits of having the right financial knowledge. Now, a survey was conducted to analyze the financial knowledge of the population of age group between 16 and 50 years old. And this was their answer. Were you ever taught about financial literacy and management in school or college? 70.3% students or people or population said no. And 27% said yes. And there is a small percent of population who don't even know if they were taught finance in college or schools. And another survey was conducted in which the question was, do you hold a savings account? In which 53.8% of the population said yes, and 46.3% of the population said no. When asked people, why did you save so much money if they have no way of spending it? So this survey should tell you that people actually have savings account and save a lot of money, but they have no way of spending it. Some people just don't spend the money which is in their bank account. For example, there are 18,830 crore of unclaimed assets in India as of 2019. And who does this money belong to? People have not claimed this money for more than 10 years. Or people passed away even after saving a lot of money and there's no one else to inherit this money. So when asked the people, why did you save so much money when you have no way of spending it? This was their answer. Number one, 40% of the population answered that because of unforeseen cost, that any kind of emergency arise, they need the money. And then a few answered saying that it's legacy because all of my family members, all of my ancestors, they saved money. So even I have to save money. And then a few of the other population, they answered feeling secure of having money. So having money in their bank account made them feel very secure and safe. And then a few answered fear of running out of money. So a few of the population, they didn't want to go broke. They want to feel secure. So because of these reasons, people started saving money, but they were not having any means to spend the money. Now, the lack of financial education in our country has proven to be devastating. Now, this has led many people to rack up on a lot of credit card and student loans, especially students, because students tend to take loans, be it education loan or any sort of personal loan, without knowing what the loan's terms and conditions are or how taking a loan works. Because all of us are not taught about financial management in school or colleges. Students tend to take loans which has very high interest rate and then they get trapped because they are not able to pay back their loans on time. And not just that, they don't know the concept of budgeting. So all these important components should be taught to them in school or colleges. All the other countries except India and the United Kingdom have adopted this system of teaching the kids in school and colleges about financial management. But it is yet to be implemented in India and the UK. So if you feel that you are financially illiterate right now, it is never too late to start. Start reading a lot of financial content, or you can download our Financial Freedom application, which has a lot of courses relating to finance, personal development, personal finance management, career building courses, business and farming courses, literally how to make money out of anything. You can find all these courses in our application in 6 different languages. So what are you waiting for? Go click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. So far in this video, we have learned why financial literacy is very important, what are the benefits of financial literacy, why kids should be taught about financial literacy in school or colleges, and how financial literacy can help you make better financial decisions so that you can become rich. So I hope this video helped you to learn about financial literacy and the importance of financial literacy. Now, if you want us to cover any sort of content, you can post a comment down below and let us know what you are looking for. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Be wise and get rich.